Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can do motion tracking in Filmora application. Okay, let's get into it guys. Here I have created a project in my Filmora application, and for example, I'm going to track this moving balloon. First thing first guys, we can click on the video or the clip and go to the AI tools right here, and you have to activate the motion tracking feature. Okay, and you can place this frame to the object that you want to track. Wait, I'm going to place this square right here on the balloon since I want to track the moving balloon. Okay, I'm just going to adjust it. Okay, once you're ready to track the moving object, you can click on this icon to start motion track. Okay, and just wait for a moment. All right, and now the tracking process has completed, and I'm going to track this moving balloon with text. So I'm going to add text. I'm going to click on quick text, and I'm just going to type in balloon. Right, guys, balloon like this, and I'm going to change the style. I'm going to select this one. And I'm going to adjust the text first. Okay, and for the text, I'm going to place it right here. And we can go back to the motion tracking. You can tap on your video and go to the AI tools, and you have to select link element and choose basic one. Okay, and now let's just take the final result. The text will follow the moving object, as you can see. Alright guys, and that's all the way to do motion tracking in Filmora application. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video.